So the solar panel I originally had on my Ring stick-up cam finally hit its end of life. It had been outside for years, and it just stopped charging the battery the way it used to. I was getting constant low battery alerts, and I'm not trying to climb a ladder every couple weeks, so I went looking for a replacement. I ended up grabbing this 8-watt 2-pack, not because I needed two panels right now, but honestly because the price made more sense. Buying a single panel was almost the same cost, so I figured I might as well get the 2-pack and keep the second one as a spare. With how much sun and weather these things take, especially in the state that I live in, it's only a matter of time before another one needs to be replaced. So having an extra on hand just made more sense. Installation was simple. The cable's long enough that you can actually put the panel where the sun hits instead of right next to the camera. I mounted it angled towards the sun, plugged it in, and that was pretty much it. The panel's been attached for 2 days and it fully recharged both of my batteries. And it's been charged ever since. No more notifications, no more battery swaps. So yeah, nothing fancy. My old panel died, this one replaced it. And now I've got a backup ready when I need one.